How to order a replacement debit card from Bank of America. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can order a replacement card for your lost or stolen debit card. So let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is simply search for how to order a replacement debit card from Bank of America. Then you'll find this website called Request and Replace Your Debit Card After Loss or Damage. Search for that or open that up, and this is now showing you how you can do so. So to do that, you can use your mobile phone. You will need to sign in into your app. Then after you do that, select the menu, and after you select menu, tap on Manage Credit Card or Debit Card. After you tap on Manage Debit or Credit Card, you can then select the card that you want to replace, then select Replace and continue to follow the prompts that they show. Give them the information and stuff, and after doing that, your request for the new card will have been placed. Now, you can just wait for the physical debit card to arrive in the mail, or you can start using your digital card. And it's that easy and fast. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.